Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Clucky. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start near the top and let's draw the beak. We'll start with the curve up and back down. And then a bump out on both sides. Now underneath, let's draw a curve. And then a curve back in on both sides like this. And then a V shape to close off the top of the beak. Now let's draw another line down and then curve it up in the center from both sides. And then 2 bumps inside for the tongue. Now from both sides, let's curve it down, meeting underneath in the center. Now top back up and let's draw a bump on top. Now on top of the beak, let's add the eyes. Let's draw a circular curve up and back around on both sides. Now inside each eye, let's draw a curve towards the center. And then inside each one, let's draw a circle at the top on the outside. And then color the rest of the pupils in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move out and let's draw the rest of the head. On top, in between the eyes, let's draw a curved V shape. And then from the left, let's curve it up and back down. Now for the end, let's draw a larger curve up, around, and back down on the right. Now top back down and let's draw a curve over to each of the eyes. Now under the eyes, next to the beak, let's draw a curve out and back in on both sides. And then under the eyes, let's draw a curve down. And then continue it below. Then let's curve it out and back in. And then 2 more bumps to close off the bottom of the head. And that's it for the head. Now let's move out and let's draw the body. Let's start with 2 lines down on the left and on the right. And then let's add a circle underneath each side. And then another curve underneath the circles. Next, in between the suspenders, let's draw 2 bumps. Now top back up and let's start drawing the arms with 2 angled lines down on the left and on the right. Now before we finish drawing the arms, let's move back in and let's finish drawing the torso. From the armpits, let's draw an angled line down on both sides. And then connect them at the bottom, bringing it behind the suspenders. Now for the shorts, let's draw a curve underneath. Now that we're done the torso, let's move back out and let's finish drawing the arms. Let's draw 2 angled lines back in. and then a larger curve across. Now from the top line, let's angle it down to the pants. And then a curved line down from the outside. Now from the end of this line, let's step up and let's draw a curve out and back in. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Let's start underneath and let's draw 2 angled lines down and out on the left and on the right. And a curve across underneath each side. Now underneath, let's draw 2 angled lines out and then angle them back in. Now inside the legs, let's draw some curved stripes. Now at the bottom, let's draw the feet. Let's start with a small curve going out from the top. And then a larger curve out. Now at the end, let's draw a curved triangle for the toenail. And then a bump back in underneath. Now for the heel, let's draw a wavy line underneath to close off the back of each foot. Now let's add one more toe. Let's draw a curve out and then another curved toenail. And that's it for the feet. Lastly, let's move back up and let's draw the tail. Let's start on the right side of the body and let's draw a curve up. And let's continue it on top of the arm, up towards the face, and curve it back down and out. Now let's do the same thing next to it to close it off. And now let's hop back down and let's draw another curve up on the right and then curve it back down on top of the arm. And that's it for Clucky. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!